I have kids and they have a lot of toys that require a lot of batteries. Keeping enough batteries on hand and changing them out can be expensive. I used to have a little battery charging station that would charge AA batteries, but it only charged 4 at a time. I never really knew when it was fully charged or how long it was going to take. With this battery charging station, it has changed my view on rechargeable AA and AAA batteries. This is the Ostation 2 Pro by Olight. It is a battery charging station on steroids. At least that's how I see it, as it charges, tests, and stores the batteries. It just works.
Kind of in a nutshell, how this works is we have the AA or AAA batteries right here, and you can put them in however you want, and it will filter down through here, and it's going to try to grab it when it's ready to charge them. And then once it charges them, it will then drop them down here into this tray right here, ready to go. So you got AA's over here, and we can drop those in there. And then it will do the same thing over here. It will filter them down, and once it's ready to go to charge, it will charge them. And then once it's done with them, it will put them back in the tray down here, ready to go. So you got AA's down here. As you can see, these are Amazon Basics. It will do those. If the battery is not a rechargeable battery, or if it's a bad battery, it will go right here. So here's a Kirkland battery, and it's not rechargeable at all. So it spit it out right there. So right now it's waiting. It's pulling them down, and it's going to decide what the health is of these, if they're good to go or not. If it's good to go, it will charge them and then drop them down here in the holding tray.
The Olight Ostation 2 Pro can charge up to 4 batteries at a time, 2 AA's and 2 AAA's, and it can store up to 12 AA and 12 AAA batteries all at once. As each battery is pulled down to charge, the system then runs a health check on it to determine if it's in good condition or if it's a non-compatible battery. Like if you accidentally drop in a non-rechargeable battery, it will spit it back out. This charging station works with pretty much any brand of nickel metal hydride batteries, as well as Olight's 1.5 volt lithium ion batteries. Now, the reason it only supports the Olight's 1.5 volt lithium ion batteries is because the system verifies using a secure handshake protocol for security. Other brands are not supported because their safety cannot be guaranteed. If the station detects an unhealthy or incompatible battery, it automatically drops it into a separate tray and moves on to the next one. While the batteries are charging, you've got a 2.8-inch touchscreen display on the front. And this shows real-time charging percentage, also duration of the charge. Olight also offers a smartphone app, so that way you can monitor all the data from anywhere you want. I'm not really sure that there's much use for the app other than just checking in on it. I'm not really sure if you ever use that, but it does give you the ability to update the firmware with this. Either way, it's a feature and it's something they give you, but they didn't have to. When using Olight's 1.5 volt lithium ion batteries, the charger goes even further. It can display the battery's ID, recharge cycle count, and the overall health percentage. That's information you just don't get anywhere else on most chargers. This charging station also features thermoadaptive charging, which automatically adjusts each battery's charging current based on its temperature. On top of that, it has a 5-layer protection against overcharge, overcurrent, overheating, overvoltage, and short circuits. All of that works together to keep the batteries safe, extend their lifespan, and ensure maximum efficiency with every charge. Now, one of the biggest frustrations I've had with other previous chargers that I've used is how long it takes to charge the batteries. But with this Ostation 2 Pro, it can take a battery from 0% to 100% in just 2.5 hours. On top of everything else, it has 2 magnetic chargers on the side, so you can charge their Olight flashlights as well as their spheres. Here are my final thoughts. I love the idea of having battery charging station like this. At first I thought it being bigger than most, it would be in the way. With a little time, I realized that it isn't the case. It gets a permanent place, so I know where to go each time I need a fresh set of AA or AAA batteries. No longer do I have to remember where I put the battery charger that plugs into the wall. This station is where I need it at all times. Another issue I had with the other battery charger setup that I had was I didn't know how long it was going to take to charge the batteries, and then were they all charged and ready to go? I was not sure. I pretty much just had to leave them on there for a long period of time. With the Ostation 2 Pro and its display on the front, I'm able to see where the batteries are in the current charging process, as well as know for sure when they are dropped down on the tray at the bottom that they are fully charged and ready to go. This charging station is going to make life easy when it comes to all things in my house that require AA or AAA batteries. Now, we will say, when I was trying to test this thing out, this battery charger does make a little bit of a noise when it's pulling down the batteries and then getting it to charge. Not a big deal, but it also makes clunking noises when the batteries fall down to where the charging station goes, as well as when it pulls them down to charge them, and then when it puts them into either the discard tray or the storage tray. So kind of scared me at night. I was like, what is that noise? And then I realized what it was. It was in the other room, but it was a little bit, it was just a battery hitting a plastic tray. So just keep that in mind wherever you want to put this. If this video helped you out in any way, please leave me a like and feel free to ask any questions down in the comment section below. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing for more tech reviews, home automation, home and automotive how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.